Maton, update, yung magkasama sila Maris saka Anthony Jennings, saka Richard Gutierrez at Barbie Imperial. Sama yung fans sila ng pag-video.
Okay na.
Ayan, magkatabi sila Maris at
Oo,
Anthony.
naka-video yan. Tapos
Meet nila si Barbie Imperial. Tapos yung movie ni Maris na Sunshine. Diyan sa Toronto International Film Festival.
Thank you for choosing to see Sunshine this Friday night. For our kababayan, we hope to make you proud. And shout out to my parents who flew from Manila. This is their first time to watch my film in an international film festival. And this is a message from our Sunshine, Maris Racal, our lead actress, who unfortunately can't come tonight. To everyone behind TIFF, thank you for giving our film the opportunity to be part of this momentous event. As a first-timer, my heart is full of gratitude. I will remember this forever. This film is for every sunshine in the world. I am with you in this fight.
Ayan o.
And
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more update. Tara po on Record Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, for what?